Greetings everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Venkat Learning. In this video, we are going to see about selection statements. What is meant by a selection statement? Selection statements are statements which take decisions based on the conditions and execute certain portion of the code in your program. For example, you consider a student who gets marks of 60 out of 100. Now we are going to check whether he got pass or fail. So the condition is marks is greater than or equal to 50. If this condition is true, then the student is pass. If the condition is false, then the student is fail. Here the student has got 60 marks, so the condition is true, so he is pass. So based on the condition, a decision is taken and the particular part of the code is executed. This is called selection statement. There are 4 types of selection statements. The first one is conditional execution. The second one is alternative execution. The third one is chained conditional, and the fourth one is nested conditional. In this video, we will be seeing all these 4 types of selection statements one after the other. Next topic is conditional execution. The conditional execution means, for example, you take the if statement. Here you are going to check the condition, and if the condition is true, you are going to execute. So this is called conditional execution. For example, if age is greater than or equal to 18, then you can print eligible to vote. So this is an example for conditional execution. Here you are going to use the keyword if, and you are going to have the test expression. If the expression is true, then you are going to execute the statements. Otherwise, you are not going to execute the statements. Here the if statement will have colon at the end. That colon will separate the header and the body. Usually you have to give 4 spaces as indent for the body. Similarly, you take another example. If name equal to Ajay, then you can print Ajay is the brother of Anu. So you have so many examples like this for if statement. So often you will be using the conditional execution statements in your program whenever you want to take a decision, whenever you want to execute the statements depending on the condition. Next topic is alternative execution. Here you are going to check a condition. If the condition is true, you are going to execute a set of statements. Suppose the condition is false, you are going to execute another set of statements. This is called alternative execution. Here you are going to make use of if-else statements. If use the test expression. If it is true, you execute the set of statements. Then you have to give else. Else here refers to false condition. The condition becomes false. So else you execute another set of statements. So for example, if age greater than or equal to 18 means you can print eligible to vote, else not eligible to vote you can print. Similarly, if name equal to Ajay, then you can print Ajay is the brother of Anu, else Ajay is not the brother of Anu. If-else statements are also often used in writing programs. Here you can make use of pass. Suppose you want to include the statements later on, then you can use pass. So this is about if-else statements, that is alternative execution. Next one is chained conditional. In chained conditional, you can make use of if, elif, else statements. First you check the condition using if statement. Suppose the condition is true, you can execute statement A. If the condition is false, you check elif. You check another condition using elif. And if it is true, you have to execute statement B. Similarly, if that becomes false, you check another elif condition. If that condition is true, you execute statement C. If that condition is also false, you execute else statement. You can have many number of elif statements, but you can have only one else statement. If all the conditions are false, you have to execute else statement. Similarly, elif here refers to else if. For example, if time less than 12, then you can print good morning. Elif time less than 15, print good afternoon. Elif time less than 16, print good evening. Else, that is if all the conditions are false, means print good night. In this way you can make use of chained conditionals. Next one is nested conditionals. That is, you can make use of if, elif, else statements within another if, elif, else statements. Or you can make use of if else statements within another if else statements. For example, you consider finding the biggest number among 3. So you check first if A greater than B. Suppose this condition is true, you again check if A greater than C. If it is true, print A is greatest. Suppose this is false, means you print C is the greatest one. Now if the first condition is false, then you have to check if B greater than C, and if this is true, you have to print B is the greatest one, else you have to print C is the greatest one. Here indentation gives a clear idea to understand which else belongs to which if. Another way of representing this nested conditions is using logical operators. For example, the same problem can be explained as below. If A greater than B and A greater than C, you print A is the greatest one. If B greater than A and B greater than C, means you print B is the greatest one. If all these two conditions are false, that is else, print C is the greatest one. In this way you can use logical operators instead of representing using nested conditionals. Summary. In this video we saw about what is meant by selection statement, why it is needed, what are the 4 types of selection statements. The first type is if statement, that is conditional execution. So whenever if the condition is true and you want to execute, you can make use of if statement. The second type is if else statements, that is alternative execution. If the condition is true, you execute, else you execute another set of statements. The third one is if, elif, else statements, that is chained conditionals. If the condition is true, you execute statement A. Elif another condition is true means you execute statement B. Else you execute statement C. And the last type of selection statement is nested one, that is if, elif, else statements will be present within another if, elif, else statements, or if else statements will be within another if else statements, that is nested conditionals. Hope you got a clear idea about selection statements. Thanks for watching.